Welcome to this comprehensive guide on AIoT, the powerful convergence of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. IoT combines intelligent algorithms with connected devices to create systems that can learn, adapt, and make autonomous decisions. Throughout this presentation, we will explore how this revolutionary technology is transforming industries and reshaping our daily lives through intelligent, self-learning systems. IoT stands for Artificial Intelligence of Things. It represents the fusion of AI technologies with IoT infrastructure to create intelligent systems capable of making decisions without human intervention. IoT brings together four key components: AI algorithms and machine learning for intelligent processing, IoT sensors and devices for data collection, cloud computing power for heavy computational tasks, and real-time data processing capabilities. Together, these components enable systems to perceive their environment, learn from data, and take smart actions automatically. Understanding how AIoT works requires examining its four-stage workflow. First, data collection occurs as IoT sensors continuously gather real-time information from the physical environment. Second, this collected data undergoes processing through edge computing devices or cloud platforms. Third, AI analysis takes place where machine learning algorithms identify patterns, trends, and meaningful insights from the processed data. Finally, the system takes smart action by making automated decisions and executing appropriate responses based on the AI analysis. This continuous cycle allows IoT systems to learn and improve over time. Smart homes represent one of the most accessible IoT applications. Climate control systems use AI to learn your temperature preferences and automatically adjust heating or cooling based on weather patterns, time of day, and occupancy. Smart lighting adjusts brightness and color temperature based on natural light availability, circadian rhythms, and your current activities to optimize both comfort and energy efficiency. Security systems employ facial recognition and behavior analysis to distinguish between family members and potential intruders while detecting unusual activities. Energy management systems monitor consumption patterns and automatically control appliances during off-peak hours to reduce electricity costs and environmental impact. Healthcare has been revolutionized by IoT applications. Wearable health monitors track vital signs like heart rate, blood pressure, and activity levels, with AI algorithms predicting potential health issues before they become serious. Remote patient monitoring allows healthcare providers to continuously track patients with chronic conditions, receiving real-time alerts when intervention is needed. Smart medication systems use AI-powered pill dispensers to ensure patients take the correct dosage at the right time while tracking adherence. Predictive diagnostics analyze patient data patterns to identify diseases in their early stages, often before symptoms appear. Emergency response systems automatically detect falls and other emergencies, immediately alerting caregivers with precise location information. Connected medical devices, from smart imaging systems to diagnostic tools, provide AI-assisted analysis to support healthcare professionals. IoT is building the smart cities of tomorrow. Traffic management systems analyze real-time traffic patterns to optimize signal timing, reduce congestion, and predict traffic flow for better route planning. Autonomous vehicles use an array of sensors combined with AI to navigate safely, communicate with city infrastructure, and make split-second driving decisions. Smart parking solutions employ sensors to detect available parking spots and guide drivers efficiently, significantly reducing the time spent searching for parking and lowering vehicle emissions. Intelligent street lighting systems adjust brightness based on pedestrian presence, weather conditions, and time of day, ensuring public safety while conserving energy. Industry 4.0 is powered by industrial AIoT applications. Predictive maintenance analyzes equipment sensor data to forecast failures before they occur, minimizing costly downtime and extending equipment life. Quality control systems use computer vision to inspect products at high speed, detecting microscopic defects that would be invisible to human inspectors. Supply chain optimization tracks materials and products in real time, with AI predicting demand fluctuations and optimizing inventory levels. Smart robotics enable collaborative robots that learn from their environment and adapt to new tasks without extensive reprogramming. Process optimization continuously monitors manufacturing processes and makes real-time adjustments to maximize efficiency and reduce waste. Worker safety systems monitor hazardous conditions and worker locations, providing real-time alerts to prevent accidents before they happen. Precision farming with IoT is transforming agriculture. Crop monitoring uses drones and satellites equipped with AI to analyze crop health across vast farm areas, detecting diseases and pest infestations in their early stages. Smart irrigation systems combine soil moisture sensors with weather forecasts, feeding AI algorithms that optimize water usage to reduce waste while maximizing crop yield. Climate control in greenhouses uses sensors to monitor temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide levels, with AI automatically adjusting conditions for optimal plant growth. Autonomous equipment, including self-driving tractors and harvesters, use GPS and computer vision to plant, maintain, and harvest crops with unprecedented precision and efficiency. IoT delivers numerous transformative benefits. Enhanced efficiency comes from automated decision-making and process optimization that reduce human intervention while increasing operational speed. Cost reduction results from predictive maintenance and resource optimization that minimize waste, prevent failures, and lower operational expenses. Predictive capabilities allow machine learning to identify patterns and forecast future events, enabling proactive rather than reactive responses to challenges. Improved user experience is achieved through personalized services and automated adjustments that create seamless, intuitive interactions tailored to individual needs. Better decision-making stems from real-time data analysis and actionable insights that empower organizations to make informed, data-driven choices quickly. Environmental impact is reduced through optimized resource usage and improved energy efficiency that contribute to sustainability goals. Despite its benefits, IoT faces significant challenges. Security concerns arise because connected devices create multiple entry points for cyber attacks, requiring robust encryption and authentication protocols. Privacy issues emerge from constant data collection, raising concerns about how personal information is used, stored, and whether organizations comply with privacy regulations. Interoperability remains problematic as different manufacturers use varying standards and protocols, making seamless device integration and communication difficult. Data management becomes challenging when dealing with massive volumes of sensor data that require significant storage capacity, processing power, and efficient analytics infrastructure. High implementation costs can be prohibitive, with initial investments in sensors, infrastructure, AI development, and skilled personnel creating barriers to adoption. Power consumption is a persistent challenge, as AI processing demands significant energy, affecting battery life for wireless devices and increasing operational costs. The future of IoT is filled with exciting innovations. Edge AI processes artificial intelligence directly on devices rather than in the cloud, reducing latency and bandwidth requirements while improving privacy. 5G integration provides ultra-fast connectivity that enables real-time AIoT applications at massive scale with minimal delay. Digital twins create virtual replicas of physical systems for simulation, testing, and optimization before implementing changes in the real world. Blockchain integration enhances security and transparency for IoT data transactions through distributed ledger technology. Natural interfaces using voice recognition and gesture controls make AIoT systems more accessible and intuitive for users of all technical backgrounds. Sustainable AIoT focuses on energy-efficient designs and green computing practices to minimize environmental impact while maximizing performance. IoT represents the powerful convergence of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, fundamentally transforming how we interact with technology and our environment. From smart homes that anticipate our needs to intelligent factories that optimize themselves, IoT is creating systems that learn, adapt, and make autonomous decisions. This technology is revolutionizing industries across healthcare, transportation, agriculture, and manufacturing. It enables smart solutions that improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance quality of life. As we look ahead, IoT continues shaping our future, creating a world where intelligence and connectivity work together seamlessly. The future is intelligent, connected, and powered by IoT. Thank you for watching this presentation on AI and IoT Convergence.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.